Jessica Marie. If you're new to this channel, please like it. Please subscribe. And if you can, please like it. If you're not new, hi. Hi again. That's what I meant. Today I just wanted to do a look that was kind of like a Latina. I am a Latina, even though I do not speak Spanish. There's a whole backstory. I'll tell that in probably a story time, or maybe, I don't know. Anyways, so today I just want to do a red lip, a nice warm brown eye, and I don't know, maybe false lashes, and maybe not. I don't know, but if you guys can, please like and subscribe. I would very much appreciate it, and thank you again for taking time out of your day just to watch my video. It means so much. Also, this top is from, I'm not sure if you guys are asking, but this top I got at Dillard's. I got it at Dillard's, and it's free. It's free, people. So it's kind of like, after buying it, I feel like it looks like a pirate top, but oh well. I like how it's like this type of material. It looks really pretty. I like it. But yeah, if you guys can, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And now let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the Supreme Nudes, and I think I might go in with the shade Transcend. Or I'm gonna go in with the shade Nudist first, and then I'll probably go in with Transcend. Oh, oopsie. So I'm gonna get this fluffy Morphe brush, the fluffy Morphe brush in the shade. So I'm gonna get this Morphe brush in the number M441. This is a great brush. I really like it. That's what it looks like. I know you can't really see it, but that's what it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the shade Nudist, and I'm gonna tap some off of the axis and just blend away. Okay, after I applied Nudist, I'm actually going with the bronzer that I used today. Today I used the Maybelline City Bronzer in the shade 200, this one. And I'm going to get in there, do that, and blend away. Because I feel like when you do a red lip, I feel like when people do a red lip, I prefer to have more of like just a simple eye look, because I want the focus to be on my lips. I don't want people to be like looking at everything and be like, whoa, like overwhelmed. I want a simple look. That's my favorite. So I'm going with my bronzer and with the same brush. You could use the same brush and everything. I know I have some hair right there. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but ooh, it's about to fall. I'm not sure you guys can see. I need to get my eyebrows done, but this quarantine. Okay, so with the bronzer, I'm gonna go a little bit like this into my brow bone. Into my brows actually. Okay, there we go. So now I'm going to get a clean makeup brush, eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna go with the shade M535, and I'm just gonna blend them all together. Now after that, I'm gonna put this away, and I'm gonna go in my Dose of Colors Friendcation palette, this one, and I'm gonna go with the shade Trudel. Trudel. And I'm gonna get that, and I'm gonna kind of do like an eyeliner with eyeshadows. So now I'm gonna take my Sonia Kashuk brow. What is wrong with me? My words are just going crazy. So now I'm gonna take my Sonia Kashuk tool, number 27. It's a really nice angular pencil, and I'm gonna get the shade Trudel in the Friendcation palette, and I'm gonna do a slight eyeliner. See, I just want a little bit. Just want to shade a little bit. Just to make it look like I'm wearing eyeliner, but I'm really not. There we go. And now I'm going to go with the shade Chains and go more towards the ending. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. And now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara. There we go. So this is what we look like. Let's move on to the lips. So I'm going to do blush last because I'm not sure which blush I want to do. And I don't know, maybe I don't want blush after I put my lipstick on, I don't know. Because I want the focus to be the lips. So, oh, actually I want to, so now I'm going to apply Mr. Bing eyeliner right here. And I'm going to put all the way up here. This is what the shade looks like. That's Mr. Bing. Ooh. So we're gonna go in with the Be Yourself. I forgot Yourself but Realher. This is a lip liner. I don't know what it's called. I forgot. I know it's like Be Her or something like that. This is what it looks like. It's a deeper red. But to me, it kind of looks fuchsia. So I'm going to apply that. Okay, so after we lined our lips and filled them in, I'm going to go with Stila Cosmetics Beso right here. I like to shake all my liquid lipsticks before I apply them. I don't know why, I just like to do that. Just something that I've done. Get it and just apply it. Okay, so this is the Stila Cosmetics Beso liquid lipstick. And now I'm going to apply blush. And for blush, I'm going to apply very, very little. Honestly, I don't think I need that much. And I'm going to go in with... Actually, let me go in with highlighter because I like to apply highlighter before blush. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe M501. Oh, that's not my blush. Oops, I got the wrong one. Okay, I'm going to go in with So Hollywood right now. Like that. And I'm just going to apply my highlight. That's it. Looks like I applied a little too much, but... So I really want to get the Selena and MAC Cosmetics highlighter. It's more of a gold, and I prefer golds. I love golds. I don't really like colored highlighters because then again, I don't really use colored highlighters a lot. But I do appreciate them when I want to do a look, especially for like the Halloween time. So after I'm done applying my highlight, I just want to make sure it's all blended out. So I'm just getting that big fluffy brush and just blend it all out. So there we go. Now I'm gonna actually apply some mascara at the bottom lashes just to make my eyes pop a little bit more. Okay, so now back to blush. So for blush, I'm gonna go in with the Toast Cinnamin right here. It's a very neutral blush, I feel. I like it. I'm not gonna really apply blush in the apples of my cheek. So I'm just gonna like this. Okay, after that, I'm gonna spray my face with the Fourth Ray Beauty Glisten Up Mist. just two because I already sprayed some before. Let that dry. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you appreciate it and you like it. Actually, I don't know, I just wanted a red lip and I feel like it would look really pretty, so here I am. And if you guys can, please like and subscribe. And yeah, and I use Hot Tools 1/2-inch curling iron to curl my hair. It took like a solid 30 minutes. I hate curling my hair and putting it on my hair, but I don't know, I just want to feel like a different person. I want to feel like more like, instead of Jessica, I wanted to feel more like a Jessica. I don't know. Anyways, this is the look, you guys. I hope you like it. I would really appreciate it if you like and subscribe. And please just come back. I want to get on the schedule. Sometimes I don't know what I want to film and sometimes I do. So if you guys can, please just like and subscribe. Really appreciate it. And tell me if you like it. Tell me what you like. Do you like this lip color? Would you recommend different lip colors? So yeah. Thank you guys. Goodbye. Bye-bye. I'll see you until next time. Bye.